Hello there friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, I show how not to allow notes in the post and reels. Okay, so stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. So step 1, click Instagram account, click your profile account and click setting and activity. After clicking setting and activity, click sharing and remixes. Okay, this is option sharing and remixes and allow notes on post and reels. Click turn off the option. If you turn off this option, no one can make notes on the post and reels anymore. So you can choose according to your personal opinion, and you can leave it on or you can turn off. Or easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel Tech on Tech.